Hello everybody. Hey, Steve Tristan here with Steve Tristan's Best. Today, I'd like to talk a little bit about bestcustomscreens.com. But before we get started, do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and then select the alert notification so that way you can get any new videos that we have coming out be alerted to you, okay? Let's go ahead and get started. Today, I'd like to talk about how our screens can transform your property and enhance your spaces, your living spaces, both your interior and exterior spaces. At Best Custom Screens, our screen doors and window screens are made right here in America. So that way you can get the best quality, durability, and most awesome product that you could possibly get. With over 34 years experience, we have the ability to be able to know what's good, what's bad. So we offer nothing but the good. That's why we're the best. Our screens are custom sized to fit your specific needs. Custom size meaning it'll fit your window, fit your door, as long as you provide accurate measurements, okay? They're also rust-free, and to top that off, it'll last for a very long time in any environment. If you're in the snow, in the hot desert sun, they last a very long time. Plus, we offer competitive pricing without sacrificing quality. But don't take our word for it. Our customers have branded us the experts in the industry.
So impressed. It finishes off our house. They look fantastic. I would refer him to anyone, anybody.
So if you're ready to enhance your property, then do yourself a favor. Click the link below, go to our landing page, and let's go ahead and get started. And if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email at bestcustomscreens@gmail.com. Also, when you click that link below, you could submit your sizes and your job needs. So if it's one screen door all the way to 1,000,000 window screens, go ahead and just fill it in and let us know what you need, and we'll definitely get you a free quote. Okay? Join the many satisfied customers who have transformed their spaces with Best Custom Screens. Don't wait. Click the link below, and you'll be completely and thoroughly amazed yourself. I guarantee it. Everybody, thank you very much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. And if you would, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And then, if there's any comments, please feel free to put them below here, right on this video, okay? And again, visit us at bestcustomscreens.com. And thank you very much. Take care. God bless. And I'll catch you next time. See ya.
Don't forget to order your screen door at bestcustomscreens.com. Catch you guys next time. Bye.